Here is how to add a work location in Gusto, step by step. Begin by signing in to your Gusto account. Enter your account credentials and complete any sign-in prompts that appear, then wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you are in your account, look for your company profile. This is where Gusto keeps your business details, including the locations connected to your company. After opening your company profile, move to the left side of the page and find the menu there. In that menu, select Locations. This will open the section where your current company locations are listed. If your company already has locations saved, you will see them here. If not, you will arrive at a blank list or a page that is ready for a new entry. Next, click Add Location. This opens the Add Company Location window, which is where you will enter the details for the new work location. At the top of this window, you will see the Country field. Confirm that the country shown is correct before you continue. If your account is already set up for a specific country, this may already be filled in for you, but it is still worth checking before you enter the rest of the address. Now enter the street address for the location. This should be the main address line for the workplace. If there is an apartment, suite, unit, floor, or any other secondary address detail, enter that in street address too. That second line is optional, so if there is nothing additional to include, you can leave it blank and move on. From there, enter the city. Then open the state dropdown and select the correct state for that address. Make sure you choose the matching state from the list rather than typing a different variation elsewhere, since this field is meant to be selected from the drop-down menu. Once the city and state are set, enter the postal code. After that, enter the phone number for the location. Use the number that should be associated with this workplace in your company records. Before saving, look for the checkbox labeled "This is a work location." Leave this checked if the address you are entering will be used as a workplace. That setting is important because it identifies the address as an active work location in Gusto rather than just another company address type. When all fields are complete and the checkbox is left as needed, click Save. Gusto will add the new location to your company profile, and it should then appear in your locations list with the information you entered. Your new work location is now added in Gusto.